Hey y'all, so my face is already done. All I have to do is add highlight, but today we're using the Bebella Pro Revolution palette. We're going to take that pink shade right there. I did ask you guys if y'all wanted pink or brown, smoky or soft glam, and you guys picked pink and soft glam, so that's what we're doing today. So yeah, I am using that pink. I did show you that first clip because I tapped off the excess powder from the shade, so the pigment is not so intense at first. I wanted to be able to build it up. That's how I did it that way. But just build it up to the intensity that you want, and then take that brown shade and go right in the crease, just to deepen everything up. I had to make sure I was choosing the right purple. But yeah, I used this shade. It's like a shimmer. It's not too pink. That's because I wanted to add another pigment on top, and this one is from Smolder Cosmetics. It's their Midnight Dreamer palette, and I'm going into Love Spell. I'm going to pop that right on top of that shimmery pigment that we used out of the Bebella Cosmetics palette. And then once you do that, you see, it just gives you like that nice pinky shade without it being too pink. You know what I mean? I hope y'all understand what I'm talking about. But yeah, you just want to pop it on there, and then we're gonna use that dark brown shade. Of course, Autumn has to make her debut. And we're gonna line our lash line instead of doing like any gel liner or liquid liner. And then I'm popping on my Lash Link collection. These are Chanel. Y'all know I love them. Use code VMarie at checkout. Yeah, we're gonna pop those on. Look at me, I'm always doing something. And then we're gonna go back to the face. We're gonna use Smolder Cosmetic Loose Glam Dust to highlight our inner corners, our cheek, nose, and things of that nature. And then we're gonna do a nude lip. Y'all know I love my nudes. And then that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys like these tutorials. Am I going too fast? Let me know in the comments down below. Yeah, so later. I hope you guys like it. Bye.